Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another green seasoning recipe today. Simple, short video today. All right. So right here I have on my plate here I have some. Excuse me. I have here some parsley. This is about a half a bunch of parsley. I have some chive here, chive. As you can see here, the roots of the chive is still on. I have some garlic here. I already peeled off the skin and everything. I have some mini onions that I had in the fridge. I'm just going to use it up. And this is one large onion that I have here. These are seasoning peppers. I chose to use the red ones because I like to see a little pinch, a little hint of a red color within my green seasoning. So as you can see here, I chose mostly the red ones and the orange ones and the yellow one to give it a little more, give my green seasoning a little color. Right, and to the side here, I have some. This is some. What is this, boys? Some celery that I had in the freezer. So I'm going to use this up and add it to my green seasoning. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cut off the ends with the roots on the side, cut it up into like smaller pieces, not too small, nothing fancy. So at least you can blend faster in the blender. Cut this up into a few pieces and just throw everything into the blender. Well, you can use a food processor, right? But I have a blender, and so I'll have to add a little bit of water to get my ingredients blending. Okay, so here's my chive. I'm just going to cut off the end. I already washed it out already, so I'm just going to cut off the ends like so. You could either, if you have a little like kitchen garden, you could plant these, put them in your kitchen garden. I don't really have any at the moment, so I'll just discard those. I'll just cut this into like about chunks like that. I'm going to put this in the blender. And this is the parsley here. I'm just going to, well, of course you will go through your, you don't really have to, but like if you buy your stuff in the market, you get like fresh stuff, so you don't really have to discard anything, but you still wash it and then you begin to cut it up into pieces like this to be able to blend. My mom, I remember when she before we had processor and blender, she had like a grinder and stuff. She would grind it. I think I have a video on that. I'll show you. I'll leave a link for it in the top right hand part of the screen so you can check it out, where it's not of good quality, but she used to use a grinder to grind up the seasoning and stuff, you know, real old school way, baby. Yeah, it's so much fun, like go to the market and get these fresh stuff and make a seasoning. It really is fun. It really is fun. I mean, it's a little prep work. I had to clean up the like the onion and stuff and the garlic. That will take a little time. If you want, you can buy the garlic already peeled in the grocery store. All right, so my blender is almost full. I may have to do it in batches, you know. Let me just show you the blender. So here's my blender. It's almost full, as you can see, about 3/4 full. So I'm going to add the garlic. I already added all the chive that I had there in the plate and the parsley. So I'm going to add the garlic, pepper. That is a seasoning pepper. It's not a hot pepper. That's why I could add so much. I don't think other people would add hot pepper to their green seasoning because not everybody eat pepper and it would be too hot. So, I mean, you just add the pepper on the side if you need to have, if you need to. So I'm going to add some water to get this going. Just give it a quick blend to see how that will work out. So I'm going to select the grind option on my blender. That was quick, wasn't it? That wasn't even more than a minute. All right, so what I'm going to do now that I have ground up the mass of the green seasoning, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients that I have on my plate. I have some more garlic. I have some more. I have the pulled onions and the whole onion that I had, and just finish up this. So let's go. Okay folks, so here's my green seasoning all done. You can see a little hint of the the red seasoning pepper just peeping out there. I like to see a little coloring, like I said, in my green seasoning. My mom, she likes to add a little salt in it. I prefer not to. The reason being is that you know, sometimes you might forget you have salt in the green seasoning. You might add salt. You might add some of those all-purpose seasoning that have salt and stuff. So just to be safe, to avoid too much to your food to be too salty, I don't add any salt to my green seasoning. If I have to add salt, I add the salt additionally, and I add pepper additionally if I want it more, if I want it spicy. So I was just thinking to myself, you know, this looks like a bowl of callaloo. A bowl of callaloo. I haven't had that for a little while. I'm missing that callaloo right now. One thing I forgot to mention too is after you've done grinding and making your seasoning and stuff, what you'll do next, like if you have like some sort of a bottle or whatever you have to store it in, transfer your green seasoning to your bottle and you put that in your fridge and keep it there refrigerated. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.